Cooking enthusiasts and home chefs alike know that the right cookware can make all the difference. This Le Creuset classic cast iron handle skillet is a prime example of high-quality craftsmanship meeting exceptional performance. With its timeless design, superior heat retention, and user-friendly features, this skillet has become a favorite in kitchens worldwide. Let's dive into an in-depth exploration of this 9-inch masterpiece and uncover why it's worth the investment. Key features of the Le Creuset classic cast iron handle skillet. 1. Enameled cast iron construction. At the heart of this skillet is its enameled cast iron material, which ensures even heat distribution and unparalleled retention. Whether you're searing meats, frying eggs, or preparing delicate sauces, this skillet delivers consistent results every time. 2. Ready-to-use convenience. Unlike traditional cast iron pans, the Le Creuset skillet requires no seasoning. Its enamel coating makes it non-reactive, ensuring that your dishes retain their natural flavors without absorbing metallic or off-putting tastes. 3. Durable and easy to clean. The durable enamel finish resists dulling, staining, and chipping, ensuring that this skillet maintains its pristine appearance even after years of use. Cleanup is a breeze, as the non-stick-like properties allow food to slide off easily, and it's dishwasher-safe for added convenience. 4. Black satin interior enamel. Designed for high-heat cooking, the black satin enamel interior provides a slightly textured surface that enhances browning and searing. It's engineered for professional-level performance, making it ideal for achieving that perfect crust on steaks or caramelization on vegetables. 5. Lightweight design. While many cast iron skillets can feel cumbersome, Le Creuset boasts one of the lightest weights per quart among cast iron cookware. This thoughtful design ensures ease of use without compromising our ability or heat retention. 6. Wide compatibility. This skillet is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility allows you to transition seamlessly between stovetop cooking and oven baking. 7. Elegant white finish. The pristine white exterior adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It's not just functional, it's a statement piece that enhances your kitchen's aesthetic appeal. Benefits of choosing the Le Creuset skillet. 1. Exceptional cooking performance. The skillet's ability to maintain steady heat levels makes it a top choice for achieving consistent results. Whether you're an amateur or a professional chef, the cooking performance of this skillet elevates your culinary creations. 2. Time-saving convenience. The enameled surface means less time spent scrubbing stuck-on food. Its dishwasher-safe feature makes it perfect for busy households or anyone looking to simplify post-cooking cleanup. 3. Healthier cooking. With its naturally non-stick properties, this skillet minimizes the need for excessive oils or fats, allowing you to prepare healthier meals without compromising on taste. 4. Built to last. Le Creuset's renowned durability ensures that this skillet will remain a kitchen staple for generations. Its lifetime warranty offers peace of mind and reflects the brand's confidence in its product. How to use the Le Creuset skillet for maximum benefits. 1. Preheat gradually. To avoid thermal shock and ensure optimal cooking, always preheat the skillet gradually on a low to medium heat setting. 2. Avoid metal utensils. While the skillet is highly durable, using wooden or silicone utensils will help maintain the enamel's smooth surface. 3. Hand dry after washing. Although dishwasher safe, drying the skillet by hand immediately after washing prevents water spots and keeps it looking pristine. 4. Versatile recipes. From stovetop searing to oven-baked frittatas, the Le Creuset skillet is versatile enough to handle a wide range of recipes. Why the Le Creuset skillet stands out. The cookware market is crowded, but Le Creuset has long been a trusted name for good reason. Their commitment to craftsmanship, functionality, and timeless design is unmatched. The 9-inch size is particularly versatile, fitting well in compact kitchens while still accommodating a variety of dishes. Conclusion. If you're looking for a skillet that combines elegance, performance, and convenience, this Le Creuset classic cast iron handle skillet is a worthy addition to your kitchen. Its durable construction, superior heat retention, and timeless design make it a reliable choice for anyone passionate about cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this skillet promises to elevate your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.